trunk setup, we got hardline fucking going strong and exhaust, bro. Yeah, we just make it in the middle of the outlet.
Go in the trunk.
What? I guess.
We did like a side exit right here.
Yeah, it's just 2 side exits. Wait, no, the whole purpose is to use that.
Just get out of hand, dude. You guys are talking about side exits now?
Our welder's over there. Fucking,
I don't know, dude.
he's paying his bills.
I'm making a schedule right now for all the cars we have.
So I just didn't buy a hanger kit.
I feel like we should save.
Yeah.
I think we should try to cut. What the fuck is that?
You.
I think we should try to cut the least amount as possible at first. we can always cut more. We can't make it come back.
Okay, so start from like right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Start here.
All right, now get the saws off.
Get the saws off.
Yeah, you gotta do a circular saw. It's gonna take forever.
Get the angle grinder out, dude.
No, that takes forever. Just take the saws off, man. Just chunk it. Yeah, you just go back and then we'll find when it's done. Because I feel like when you're here looking at it, you're gonna be like, nah. So, worst case scenario, we just weld these pipes back. The original ones. Okay?
Best case scenario, your car's flying. You know, dude?
Yeah. Okay.
There's no losing here.
When you get that, you don't need that. So just go back to the office and take care of you, sir, like a normal customer.
Oh, lift it up. Ah, yeah, it's doing something, dude. It's a little hot up there, bro. Try to get back on that same edge you were on. Is that the blade out of that box? Yeah. That's your first problem, dude. That blade's from like... I probably hacked my Mark IV exhaust with that, dude.
I'll take an angle grinder. You still be doing
I like how this... Hey, where do you want him cutting it at? I got it, dude.
They're not straight anymore.
12 millimeter out, right?
Hold back.
Oh, sorry, you're right. That's why you're the mechanic, I'm here for one more support. If I wasn't here, they still do.
I can't. Paul wasn't here. It doesn't happen. No, I got it off.
No, I told you don't need it no more.
Thank God he's here, dude. He screwed without him.
Now what, Jared?
Really good question. Hey, so one thing I was thinking.
Wait, I still need that other piece.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to say.
I got 45s for a reason. I told you to cut it so short. I got 45 right there, or whatever it is.
Sad part is he's probably right. We just... I don't know.
You put this.
What's up, Brandon? What's up, dude? Don't worry, you got it.
Need him up there? Alright, my turn. You need to put in the disclaimer of the video that we are not an exhaust shop. We're just, oh look! You just run it like that! That's your first expand job, brother. I'm scared. I'm scared too. I need to experiment with this. I'm new, I don't know what to do. That looks right. Oh yeah, see, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, got an impact? Alright, impact.
Where's the third bolt?
I was getting everything ready for you. There's your impact. Yeah, here's that for that office chair. So I'm getting...
That's great. I'm just getting this ready for you. So I had you borrow an impact. Can I borrow an impact? So what is this thing?
You just keep triggering it till it makes a bulge.
like move it out more?
Maybe.
Yeah, keep going. You're doing a good job.
It's like you're saying.
This one?
When did I ever say I knew what I was doing, dude?
So Lance are bleeding.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's feathered. That kind of hurts. Nope.
Not quite
A little wider.
Yeah, like I think the end.
Yeah, it's the edge.
But this is like from factory. This is our job. Yeah.
Oh man.
You want your weaponry back?
Yeah.
Action.
Hey, you
Someone down?
might need to.
I got it.
Whoa.
I need that.
What was this for?
That was just that's an excess.
Yeah.
I wanted to test out to see how far the flare can.
Not an anal. We don't care. I thought that.
From here, they're going to cut this and you're going to run for that. Oh. I'm here just to be, I'm just a Snapchat guy.
Dude, this is so bad.
Oh, Morgan Wallen is here!
Dude.
Oh my god, this is a privilege.
I'm just doing what Charlie Ann's telling me to do, bro.
Alright.
It's like a Lego piece without any actual book to read it. He's just like, yeah, you're gonna put that piece there. Good
How
luck.
to put Charlie's stuff together. Alright, we need to cut right there. Get the marker.
Make sure.
We don't need no tape measure when you got fingers.
Hell yeah, that's about one index finger length away.
As straight as you can get.
Perfect.
Looks good to me. Don't get up close. Back further back. See? Is that one welding better? Steel to steel?
Put like a
Little.
I thought you're supposed to put a wire brush on the other side to get it
Well,
clean.
yeah, you need to clean it up.
Yeah.
Why are you paying the shit?
Okay,
That's not a customer score.
that's cool.
This is a pro bono case.
Listen, I just, when the mufflers come off, second run into your engine, dude. For the record, I told him it was two different materials. Fuck that one, guy.
Yeah, take note. Just watching it.
You don't care, bro.
How many fingers is the whole time, the whole time we're welding, every time I turn around, I'm like, no, it's definitely watching me right now. No eye for
I just said we're gonna have to take it to the eye hospital.
I'm seeing a big one of blue like right here.
Bro.
Oh, I got it though. That's oh yeah. God, dude, if I didn't use the vice grip, we were gonna make
I
him do
just
it
see how
too.
long it took you to realize the food was better to cut bigger, right?
No, better to cut less and take more than cut more and not have.
No, some more and then add on.
You blast that ass!
I don't know what to be either. I just grab the closest thing.
No!
It's rubber!
No!
What's going on?
It's not working.
I got the BB blast suit, dude.
Can you go for that? Or you need to cut shorter? You need to cut like.
How the fuck, yeah, how am I gonna weld that?
So either you weld that or. You weld it?
What? How about it, Gil?
So if this side falls off and that side doesn't, we're gonna. Got you there. I got you, fam.
I was gonna weld on Barrett's trailer today.
Alright, you got it.
There's no way to beat that.
It's the, he puts the mask up and shakes, there he goes. And puts the mask right down.
Why y'all pulling cars in?
Yeah, y'all got it, right?
Charlie, you gotta do what I showed you.
Alright.
Remember what I showed you?
He said we'll lock up. Oh, I love you.